Do you feel nervous ordering food in English today? I'll guide you through ordering food step by step, so you can enjoy your meal without any worries. We'll cover how to ask for a menu, place your order, ask questions about the food, and finally, handle payment, including tipping. Let's dive in. Before we start, let's review some key vocabulary for ordering food. Menu. Meaning. A list of food and drinks available at a restaurant. Example. Could you please bring me a menu? I'd like to see what you have for lunch. Bill. Meaning. The total amount you need to pay for your meal. Example. Excuse me, could I get the bill, please? We're ready to leave. Tip. Meaning. Extra money you give to the server as a thank you for their service. Usually, it's 15 to 20% of the bill. Example. In the US, it's common to leave a tip for the server. Allergy. Meaning. A reaction some people have to certain foods. Example. I have a peanut allergy, so I need to make sure there are no peanuts in my dish. When you first sit down, simply make eye contact with the server and ask, "Could I have a menu, please?" If the server greets you first, you can reply with, "Hi, could I get a menu, please?" Being polite with a smile always helps. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask. You can say, "What's in the chicken pasta?" Or "Is this dish spicy?" Asking about ingredients or spice levels is common, so don't worry. The server is there to help. When you're ready to order, say, "I'd like," or "I'll have," followed by the dish name. You can also make special requests, like, "Could you add extra vegetables?" Or "Could you make it gluten-free?" Most restaurants are happy to accommodate. When you're done, say, "Could I get the bill, please?" If you're paying by credit card, the server will bring a slip with a space for the tip. Write the tip amount, add it to the total, and sign. For example, if your bill is $20 and you want to tip $4, write $24 as the total. Great job! Now you know how to ask for a menu, order food, and pay with confidence, including tipping. Try these phrases next time you're out. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. Tell us in the comments about a time you ordered food in English. What challenges did you face? Let's practice the phrases for ordering food that we learned today. I'll say the phrase, and you can repeat after me. Ready? Excuse me, could I have a menu, please? What's in the chicken pasta? Is this dish spicy? I'd like the chicken pasta, please. Could you add extra vegetables? Could I get the bill, please? Do you take credit cards?